Okay, so guys, this video is just gonna be like a casual kind of video, so don't take it too seriously. We're just gonna chill, relax, and rate the chips based on our first impression. Okay, I'm not even kidding you guys. It's a mountain full of snacks. Oh my goodness, and I can't wait to try it. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, first up we have this Indo chips.
It's nice.
It's nice, right? This one is nice.
I'm surprised.
I'm also surprised.
The packaging don't look as good as how it is. Okay, don't eat too much later you can't eat the rest.
Rating.
Oh, rating.
I think 8 out of 10 because got so many more. I don't want to give too high. Actually, this one I don't know whether still need to try because we always eat this and this is super good.
Don't even need to eat. I will just give it 10 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, that's my rating too.
So nice.
Very good, right? I love this so much.
Rating? 10. Yeah, agreed.
What shall we eat next? To be honest guys, from the packaging it doesn't look that nice, right? Yeah, it looks like a very healthy snack. And this is how it looks like. It's not, it's okay what? I personally think it's okay, but it has a quiet taste lah. I think it has a quiet taste. Don't know whether to use the word unique or weird, right?
It has a very strong like 呛的 taste.
Yeah, herbal taste, right? Okay, rating.
You say?
She's gonna give it -5. I know from her face. I will give this 2 out of 10. So this earns 2 out of 10 for effort. Moving on! Next we have this hot and spicy bread. Wow, it smells very good. Oh, very good.
It smells like twisties.
Oh yes. And it looks like this.
Actually, it does taste a little bit like twisties, but the not so nice version.
I think it was nice for the first 5 seconds.
Agree.
Our rating for this will be... What? We have not discussed anything at all. 4 out of 10 because of the weird aftertaste. That minus 6 points already.
Yeah.
Because aftertaste is very important, guys. Ta-da-da-da! I'm very excited about this because it is peri peri chips. Peri peri nacho chips.
Ooh.
It looks really good.
It looks like Doritos. Looks like this. Looks like those Doritos.
Okay, let's go. It does taste like the peri peri sauce, but overall, it is an okay chips. 6 out of 10. Moving on.
Yeah, another one, but this time it's barbecue flavored.
I actually like this flavor. This is so much better.
Oh, really?
Do you think so?
I rate it as the same.
Really?
Yeah.
I find this flavor much nicer, so I will give it a high rating. 7 out of 10. Currently, I feel like we haven't found the like die must try kind, you know. Next up, we have this chili cheese twisties like thing. It's called corn toast spelled with a Z. So it definitely just looks like twisties. And it tastes like twisties too.
It doesn't taste as good as twisties.
Oh, it doesn't taste as good as twisties, but chili cheese is one of my favorite flavors ever. I will give this a 7.5 out of 10.
Agree.
Okay. Anyway guys, there's one that I'm really excited to try, which is this one. It looks super good. It's tiny chips like this. It's not too bad, but I would say it looks better than it tastes.
It's a bit bland.
It's a little bit bland. Yes, it's a little bit bland. 6 out of 10. Shall we try this? So this is potato bites sour cream flavor.
That looks a lot like Pringles.
Yeah, it looks exactly like Pringles. Oh, okay, so everything inside is like in a mess right now. It's very nice, isn't it? It's not too bad, right?
I don't know. Maybe naturally I'll start to compare it with Pringles. It's definitely not up to the Pringles standard, but for the price of this, it's pretty good.
How come everything we take is like corn toast, corn something, corn something? This is corny. Why would you name a snack corny? I'm just gonna cut this open. What? What do you think it was about?
I thought it was a huge smile.
Looks like this. Like, what is this called? There's one that looks like this before. But another snack that looks like this.
Wing?
Don't know. Okay, let's eat it. Oh, there's also a cheese one, but we didn't get it. We got the normal one. But it tastes really good.
It doesn't look that good, right?
Yeah, but it tastes really good.
9 out of 10!
Next!
Moving on. Oh.
This is really, really nice. And you know this kind of snacks, right? Usually they are not very cheap. Guys, this looks really, really huge.
Dropped one.
Oops! Can't eat this anymore. This tastes very low fong. Okay, we don't know how to say it in English, okay? First of all, it tastes like fries, but it tastes like extremely soggy fries.
Yeah.
This will be a 5 out of 10.
Okay, so the girl at Value Dollar recommended this to us, and she said this is very good. So it looks like this. This is a peanut.
It tastes like peanut, but in corn flavor.
6 out of 10.
I can't believe we haven't even finished all the chips. So these are the things that we have tried, and these are the things that we have yet to try. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we bought so much.
I remember her yesterday saying that, hey, we haven't finished using our budget leh. $50 leh. Now that you still like, should I buy more? Should we buy more? Should we buy more?
Need to digest the food.
Next!
Ta-da-da-da! Confirm this one, nice one lah, this one. This is a prawn cracker. Prawn cracker will never go wrong, guys. This is very good. No wait, there's a bit aftertaste. Do you taste it?
Yeah.
This is
The first time I put it in my mouth, I felt it was quite soggy.
it's a little bit soggy. Nah, this one I treat you. Yeah, welcome. Okay, so we are gonna go for biscuits right now, and this one looks super cute, guys. Look at this. Ah, it looks so cute, and some is butter flavored. So you know everything that's butter flavored is probably gonna be nice because I love butter flavored. Cute, so cute. This is really good. I love this. The texture is good. The flavor is good. 10 out of 10. Next biscuit. It looks very high class, right? So far, this is the only snack that has this resealable back thing. So first of all, this biscuit has a very unique shape and looks very, very thin. Oh, sorry.
I thought you were gonna pass that to me.
I love this biscuit. It's good. Waiting for any weird aftertaste.
This $1 biscuit is surprisingly good.
10 out of 10.
Agree.
Another biscuit right here. It looks very cute and small. It comes in small packets. Oh my gosh. Super tiny, guys. Look at this, guys. It's exactly the same size. It's good, it's good. It tastes like the Ritz one, but in a minier version. 10 out of 10. We got some spicy peanuts right here. It's peanuts, you can't go wrong. I love snacks that come in small, mini sizes like these. Well, the portion is a little bit disappointing. This is what I treat.
So rating?
1.
I think it is not as bad as the aftertaste ones lah, but it's still bad.
The next one is something that I'm really excited to try. Choco Beach Bomb. So it's basically chocolate and biscuit, and it's super mini size.
like the mini version of cookie.
Yes, it's very mini.
But for some reason, right, a lot of their things feels a bit low feng. But the chocolate is not bad.
6 out of 10. Ta-da-da-da! Next we have this panda bear. 10 for $1. It looks super cute. The packaging. Oh my goodness.
It looks good.
Okay. I think I may have screwed this up. I'm a little bit disappointed with this. How can they design a snack that is so hard to take out? Like, what's the point? Oh my goodness, finally! I took this out.
But the chocolate is still stuck.
Apparently this is not a biscuit. It is like a sponge cake kind of thing. There's a spoon too. It's a teddy bear. It's a sponge cake teddy bear. Oh my goodness.
It tastes like chocolate that is made from powder, but they didn't mix it well.
Let's try the bread. Come.
The bread not too bad.
Really? It's actually an okay sponge cake. Oh look, there's an aeroplane. Woo, woo. Open it up.